Okay, so we are in Ipodo now. Ang dami ko ng mga nakuhang freebies from the office. Basta yung umiinit, yung pang-init, yung...
India! He's gonna dribble assists next year!
Can you just say hi to the video? Okay, so we are in Ipodo now. Look, yum. Hi, Irene. Bon appetit, Irene.
Do you want me to film you?
No, it's okay. I mean, I can just flip it. Irene, say hi.
Filming when we play.
Yay! We're now going to Kili Watch. It's a thrift shop. I'm so boring, you know? Okay,
Let's see
let's go.
how you can sleep today.
But I haven't been here. I haven't gotten to check. Like these, I think these are used items.
This a brand.
So we're in a different shop now. It's what's the name? And other stories. Look, this is nice. Wee! So, ang dami ko nang napanalunan. Ang dami ko ng mga nakuhang freebies from the office. Kanina may event yung Too Faced. Tapos, parang ni-revamp kasi nila yung launch ng Better Than Sex mascara. Though, dati pa talagang mascara yun. Tapos, merong claw machine and spin the wheel na activity doon. Ito yung nakuha ko sa claw machine. Isang mini size na mascara. Tapos, yung nakuha ko sa spin the wheel, spin the wheel. Ito, regular size, sex mascara, tsaka lipstick nila. Actually, either mananalo ka doon ng mini, or etong nakuha ko na to, or isang golden ticket na mga parang mga 7 or 5 to 7 products, regular size products na nakuha nung isa naming co-intern. Nakakuha siya ng palette, yan, whatever. Tapos ito din, dami ko ng mga nakuha sa office actually. Ito from Jo Malone, pero hindi to kanina, hindi event to kanina. Dati pa to, mga last week. Last week. Ito naman, scented candle from Jo Malone. Hala, nasira yung... Anyway, yun lang. Guys, dapat paalis na ako ngayon. Thursday today, wala kaming work kasi holiday, bank holiday, tapos bukas fix na walang work. Pero sobrang sakit ng puson ko, kaya ang gagawin ko ngayon, meron akong, binili ako sa Philippines na ganito. Tawag doon, parang handy na, ano yun? Yung something. Basta, yung nakalimutan ko yung term. Basta yung umiinit, yung pang-init, yung ano yun? Something. So, ang gagawin ko lang, igaganito ko lang, oh. Pindutin ko lang siya. Tapos, init na siya. Eh. Kailangan ma-flip ko. Pag clinip ko to, ay! What the hell? Wait. Bakit ayaw? Ayan. Makikita nyo, nagaganyan siya. Ibig sabihin, umiinit na siya actually. So, lalagay ko na siya sa aking puson. And then, sakit na talaga. Yun lang, sakit ng puson ko. Naging ganito siya. Okay. Alive na ulit ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta, pero gusto ko ng Chinese food. Tsaka, hindi ko alam. Basta, somewhere there. And kausap ko si Janine kanina, like, for an hour mag-usap kami, or more than an hour. So, shout out! Shout out! Yun lang. Paris sa Lazar. Japanese food. Sobrang muntik na akong mahimatay kanina. Feel ko na mahihimatay ako. And nahihilo. Parang nasusuka ko. Kaya umupo lang ako sa may bus stop. Tapos nagpalipas ng oras doon. Dapat kakain ako sa isang Chinese restaurant. Tapos nung pinuntahan ko kanina lang, close pa siya. 7 o'clock pa ulit. Pero ngayon parang 5:30 na. So, bili na lang ulit ako ng coco. Feeling ko baka nagutom na ako. Ewan ko. Guys, look. May vending machine tong mga Korean stuff. May isang Korean noodles na gusto pero wala. Walang available sa mga Korean store na pinuntahan ko today. Cheesy ramen yung name. Pero parang 2 or 3 Korean stores yung pinuntahan ko pero wala eh. So, yun. Biang pork and dumpling. Guys, alam niyo ba, naiinitan ako tuwing gabi. Tapos, tinanong ko yung isa kong friend kung may electric fan pa siya. Sabi niya meron daw. Tapos ngayon nakakita ko electric fan. Tingnan niyo. Look! Bibili ba ako? Bibili ba ako? Char, di ko alam. pag sumobrang init na. Minsan kasi hindi eh. Meron pa dito oh. Pero grabe, sobrang mura lang nito sa Shopee. Guys, nasa Uniqlo ako. Wearing Uniqlo. Oh my gosh. Tapos may habit ako na. Pag sobrang stress and lungkot, sobrang napapa-retail therapy ako. Bad. So guys, may event kami sa office. Tapos all white. Tapos naka-heels ako ngayon. Tapos standing. Kasi nakatayo lang. I mean, yung event, ganun. Outdoor. Okay, bye. See you later. We are lost. We're so lost. What should we do? Just say. What should we do? No, we just go straight.
We can't go like this. I just
Stop. There's no.
Yeah, is that I'm telling you?
I mean, there should be like a button where we can. I mean,
No, but
now we
it's not
can.
working. Let's go after this.
Yeah. They would think I'm weird. I'm videoing them.
Okay, and
Okay, the event has already started. And now we're late. So, now we got our tag.
let's wait for Lou.
Yes. Okay.
I think I don't know where to put it. Yeah. It's here, like.
And come more, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. You're never shy usually. Rohan, guess where he's from? Original from India. India. He's gonna triple the sales next year. He said.
Okay, let's get this.
Can I give you my meat?
Yes, of course. Hi, Shari. So we just received products from our company.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh my god, it's a lot.
It's hard, yes.
Oh my god.
Okay. I don't know what
I
it
got
is.
thingy. Oh my gosh, no Mac.
No, Mac.
It's my fault. It's my fault.
I got Mac.
You got Mac and I didn't give them
got
like
Mac.
socks.
Oh. From Ford. I get that.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I got this.
I also
I got this. Unique. Darfon. What did you get? I got this one as well.
Yeah, same. What is
Oh, did you get the same?
Yeah, I think yes.
Oh, you got the better than sex again.
Yes.
I mean, I have that.
And you, Shari? I thought. That's all.
Oh, you got La Mer.
You got La Mer.
But it's like
samples.
I mean, at least you know how much La Mer is. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, you got Frederick Man.
Yeah,
Can I
but-
see? 'Cause I think it's a perfume. I don't know.
Which one? This one? Same as Shari.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I'm just checking.
Yeah, don't worry.
I don't know what that is. I think it's covered. So
No, let's open
I
it.
let you open it.
No,
It's
let's
not
open it.
mine.
Let's open it. Yes.
It's really like
It's like really. I don't know what is it. Rubber essence.
I think it's a perfume. Cause
Should I open this because it's like really?
No, I don't.
Okay, well, I will later. What is this?
Wow, you got Mac. I don't know if I got it.
Maybe they already had like a stock.
Yeah, maybe. Or from VM, but
What else you got?
yeah. So I got these. Ooh, I got something from Holidays.
Ooh.
What did you get? Same.
I think we have
Yeah.
this almost,
Almost
the
the same.
same.
Yeah.
So cool.
Can you just
What
say
is
hi
the
to the
perfume?
video?
Huh? I don't know. Hello. We were just unboxing.
Yeah,
Yes.
she got a perfume from Joe.
Oh, not cute. Sherry. You
I
want to exchange
wanted,
something?
I wanted to have one from Le Labo.
Oh.
You know that?
No.
I mean, it's a very small group here in the company, but the price is so expensive. Like for a 50 ml or like 100 ml, it's like almost 200 euros. Yes.
What?
Yes. That's why I wanted to
No.
know if you have like discounts.
How many items you have? Tell me.
How many items you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11?
10. I think 10. Like 10.
But I mean, you got this.
I mean, you got La Mer. The girl was asking for La
For
Mer,
La
you
Mer.
know? Guys, so medyo madami akong na-hoard sa Byredo. Sobrang bango. As in, kasi ang hilig ko kasi sa perfumes na fresh. Tapos ang daming choices doon na sobrang fresh ng scents ng Byredo. Also sa Lilabo, pero parang mas into Byredo ako. Kasi ang dami ko nakuhang samples. Kasi ang daming pinabili ni tita. Dahil, oh my gosh. So, kasi medyo pa uwi na si Ate Clyde. So, ang dami siyang pasabay. Di ko lang alam kung mauuwi ni Ate Clyde. Kasi ang bigat. Pero dahil ako yung bumibili para kay tita, kinuha ko yung mga samples. Tapos nangingi ako ng mga samples. Ang daming binigay. And, yun. Kung bibili kayo, try nyo yung Mojave Ghost and Blanche or Gypsy Water. Pero actually lahat. I mean, hindi naman lahat, pero madaming choices. Tapos pag Lilabo, Santal 33, medyo woody. And yung Te Matcha. New scent nila yun. Actually, sister company ng MAC. Parang same, nasa Estee Lauder companies yung Lilabo. Pero, wala kasi siya sa online website na binibilhan ko within the company. So, hindi ako nakakuha ng discount. Pero sana mayroon discount. Hi, Irene. Okay, we are in Gallery Lafayette. Yes. Inside, just to appreciate the aircon because it's so hot. It's so hot. Oh, let's go. Okay, we're going up to the rooftop. Look. Oh my God, so beautiful. Okay, that's the Eiffel Tower. But this one, I think it's much more beautiful during the winter because they have Christmas decorations.
Oh my god, it's too much sport.
For sports. You know when I got here? When I went here, I mean, I don't want to take a photo of me, so let's take a photo of each other. It's so hot. Init.